Yo, what's up? We are now shooting from Zagreb. This is Arena Zagreb. Today and tomorrow we're gonna have a green energy fair. It's free entrance here. It's not that big, but there should be some interesting stuff here that you might not see a normal, well, they call it expo, right? So I have Isabel with me here. Yeah, we have the whole family here. Wifey and Axel, they are in the, at the hotel. We got some free popcorn. Then wife is like, hey, Isabel said, oh yeah. Okay, anyway, let me see. Isabel, keep it on. I have to put this away so it doesn't spill, but I'm gonna do a quick walk around and show you guys what is here. Like I said, there might be some super interesting stuff. This time I shoot in 50 frames per second progressive. Unlike normally when I shoot in, in 25 frames per second. Normally I use 25 FPS to get lower shutter speed so I can get better light conditions. But okay, we can start maybe on this side here. We have some cars. It's not a pure car expo thing. You will see that it's more like maybe tech, green tech, solar, CPOs, and then some cars. Yeah, the car is not like the center of the expo. I don't even think you're allowed to go in and check them out or anything like that. You see we have, well, cars that you guys have seen before, Cupra Strabascan. You have ID7 here. There is some BYD, Seeker, and BYD is also represented over here. Oh yeah, SKF. There is actually an interesting partnership between SKF and EV Clinic. We might come back to that in another episode because it's going to be more explanation of what's going on. But okay, I'm not sure what all of this is all about though. Tub, batteries, battery storage, seems like. But here, they have the Seeker X over here. A Dongfeng Nami box. I still haven't tested it yet. And what is this? Battery energy storage systems. Seems like it's coming more and more now. Battery storage. That seems to be an inverter on the wall there. So you can go check out that. CC New Energy. Again, more batteries. Metron. Yes, the cool guys at Metron. They are here. Slovenian guys, yes. I think, is this a zero bike? It's charging 81%. Maybe they are Schnell charging it. Okay, 150 kilometers of range at 81. Yeah. 1.2 kilowatt. Okay, it's not going that fast. Yeah, I was thinking about it doesn't go that fast. There are some of the Metron guys, and also Vanya from EV Clinic is here. Okay, but let me show you guys here again. Over on this side we have Renault 5 display. Oh, you can poke in and see the cars. You know, they didn't reserve that much space for each car. Renault 4, I still haven't booked it yet, so I don't know when I'm supposed to be able to borrow it. Here are the seal and some other stuff here. Here we have electric. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's CPO or something. There's a QR code you can check out there if you're more interested. Do they have their own charger? No, I don't think so. Okay. Sorry, maybe I should know what all this is, but okay. Here, this seems to be actually solar holders. Yeah. Holder for solar panels. And then here we have ball bearings and stuff for electric motors and drive shafts. Nam, okay. Isabel wants water. Sorry, I have to do this. Well, here you go. You can open it yourself, maybe. Wanted to spill all over the place, even though it's just water. Okay. Anyway, sorry for the interruption. Let me continue. More batteries. This seems to be bigger. Yeah, way bigger batteries. And then you can charge up your phone and stuff over here. Here are some drinks, very expensive drinks, but at least it's here. 2 bottles was around €5. And then, what is this? Okay, All right, bearings and stuff. There's a stage here. I believe I'll be here tomorrow. So it's today and tomorrow. And tomorrow at 5, I think I'm going to be on stage. It's going to be in Q&A with EV Clinic and also Nasir. All the legends will be gathered on stage, right? All right, and then here, is this Huawei or something? I'm not sure. Seems to be inverters. Solar, Longi. We have Longi in Chengdao. But this is maybe a newer generation. All right, let me move a little bit back and forth here. What they have. Aledo Tech, Fox. What the Fox is this? Okay. Eco Green Energies here. Lots of solar edge. And then, yeah, solar edge over here also. This is also some kind of solar stuff going on. Oh, it's better. Okay. Oh, c'est là, okay. Yeah, she's done with the water. Okay. Need to do all this stuff. I was intending to do this without any editing because I want to get the video out quickly. So anyway, solar edge. All seems to be inverters and stuff for solar. Oh yes, little princess. Alpitronic plus a Kempower dispenser here. TSG. Okay, so better they can type video now. And then here we have EV Clinic and Avilo. You know, Avilo is the battery tester program thing. So they have a shared booth here, seems like. Here's where you got the popcorn from. Yeah. Okay, yeah, Coelho, I also talked to them, followers. It was funny. One of the guys here, he was like, I watch your videos, and he went to Ioniq with his EV6 in 2022 just to get check out Ioniq. So they have a CPO and some other stuff there going on there. Okay, and let me move a little bit here. We have, oh yeah, no, I almost forgot. Dude, guys, like the star of the show. We're gonna show it later, but this thing here is the shit. It's a range extender, 18 kilowatt hour. It has been kind of designed to fit in the Model S trunk or something, but you could fit this anywhere. And what the heck is this range extender? Well, it connects directly to the high voltage battery. It doesn't, it doesn't just plug it into the charge plant. This is some advanced shit from EV Clinic. You see, they have developed this in-house, and it works on any car. I was like, dude, will it work on a Leaf? Will it work on an e-Golf? Yes. And also, not only that, it has active cooling. Okay, I need Vanya to tell me more about this. Okay. And then moving on. Fortunately, it's not that big. Oh, I see some pretty cool solar over there. Let's check it out. Well, why is here? Mobi Solar also. Lots of people here for some reason. Energy something. Oh man. Isabel wants more water. Okay, sorry for that. But here we have some energy stuff going on. I'm not sure what all of this is. Let's see. Let me move on this direction. V-Volt energy roof. Oh, energy roof. Oh, I like that. Wow. Let me check here. What is it? Let me look at the brochure. We consider energy roof in our house, but it became too expensive, so we skipped it. Because here's some brochure about. That looks beautiful. It doesn't just like poke out, unlike many other systems, right? That would you just slap it on the roof. And then here we have some. What is this all about? NRF e-mobility. Seems to be some parts for electric cars. There is a Model 3 there. We have, I guess, more battery tech. Solar. Okay, but let's keep a little bit here. Probably boring for you guys. I want to show something cool I saw over there. This is probably more, what is it? Inverters? Seems to be a bunch of inverters. Man, there's so much solar. Okay, let me see. Oh, huh? Is this one of the imported Cybertrucks? No, wait. Oh, it seems like Tesla is officially represented here. Yeah, when they have the Tesla banner and all that stuff, it means that, that's what they were voting, man. Didn't see it. Rimac is here, of course. The homeland of Rimac is here with the Nevera. Is this Nevera R? I'm not sure, but okay, anyway, I'll show you guys. Okay, Cybertruck is here. Model Y and stuff, it's kind of boring. But look at this solar. Ooh, it's probably very expensive. I bet it has solar tracker also. I want to have one of these in my yard, backyard. And maybe the front yard. Someone's gonna protest. This looks so cool. Wait, I have to see under here. What does it look like? Let me see. Do we have any mechanics for? Oh yeah. It can rotate. It can tilt. It seems like, wait, is that a fixed tilt? Does it have a fixed tilt, or is it? I'm not sure, but okay, that looks pretty cool. There's another version that is bifacial. Wait, let me see. Yeah, eventually I should borrow the Mazda. Also, I'm waiting for the press car to be ready. Insta is here. EX5. I need to check it out. Geely EX5. But here, look at this. Wow. Sunflower. Huh? Can we put this? Can we put this in the outside the house? It looks beautiful. It looks kind of cool. Well, I don't know how many kilowatt it is. It doesn't seem like it has a tracker. It seems like you choose the angle and that's it. But it seems to be bifacial. Yeah. Okay. That is awesome, man. Sunflower. No, sun lower. Yeah, sunlower. Yeah, my bad. Okay, there's some charger stuff here. I think we have covered most of the expo now. So I just want to give you guys a little first impression. What you can expect here is more solar. So if you see something interesting, you can come over here and of course ask some of these guys, maybe about the battery extender or the solar or some of the other stuff. Here is something that resembles what I have. EcoFlow. Dude, like I've been using EcoFlow for such a long time. They have EcoFlow here. Hello guys. Yeah, is this EcoFlow of, well, you guys have EcoFlow, right? Yeah. Yeah, so look at this, this is massive. Is this Delta 3?
It's Delta Pro 3, yeah.
Delta Pro 3?
Yeah.
It's huge.
We also have the Delta Pro Ultra. It's not here.
Oh, the Pro Ultra, yeah, that's for the home where you can
it's for homes, yeah.
So this thing is freaking massive, man. Yeah. So okay, so EcoFlow is here. You guys can check out them if you're interested. Probably under another company, Solus, but they seem to be selling EcoFlow here. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Sun ballast. Huh? Okay. Man, back and forth with the water here. Huh? Shit, man. Okay. Anyway, I can show you guys cache. Of course. You also want to keep the solar clean, because eventually you're gonna lose some efficiency. So they actually have solar cleaning equipment. It makes me wonder, do I need to clean the solar at home? Yeah, there was some kind of servicing and cleaning, I believe, of the solar in Thailand. It's included in the maintenance plan or something. So yeah, okay, so they have it there. Cool. Let me see what else is here. It seems my small booth. Delta Tech. These seem to be inverters. 50 kilowatt. Wow, really? Yeah, so I think I covered most of it. What is this? Instrument something? Tesla cables. Of course, it's a land of Nikola Tesla. What? Interesting. I need to check out this. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transfer and transform. Yeah, so I'm not sure what the Tesla cable is, but this is here. Yeah, I know what this is. Whoa. This must be some, sounds like a school project for electric track cars. So that's over here. And that's it? And there's some more stuff. Okay, so I think I cover everything now. So the plan, if you guys want to meet me here, I will be available here today. I'm not sure for how long. I will just upload this video ASAP. So in case you guys are around, if you're in Zagreb, you can come over here. But I'm not sure how much longer I will stay here. But also tomorrow, I should come in the afternoon. But maybe I'm not just gonna stay here all day. I might come here, let's say 2 or 3 in the afternoon and wait for to me to go on stage at 5 or something, right? So yeah, come check it out. So that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching. Talk to you later.